the only thing we can do about it is getting out there when we do get the ball to sustain drives, to, score points, to do well in situations. So, depending on what they do, we might have to score quick, what have you. We might have to change up the play call a little bit, but other than that, we just play our game, and we don't have to do anything outrageous. When we do that, mistakes happen. When we play our game, do what we do, good things happen.
Coach Hack was talking about their new defense, so they sometimes drop as many as 8 guys into coverage, so being prepared for the possibility that they might make it less fun for you on Saturday.
Yeah, I mean, they've shown that they dropped like 10 guys, or 8 or 9 guys in coverage, so when it comes to that, it's just a lot about discipline, not forcing the ball downfield because they outnumber us in pass coverage. So it's all about discipline, making a good decision, and hopefully our running game's going pretty well to the point where they can't just do that.